Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I will be demonstrating how to use Smart Forms in SharpCloud. Smart Forms are a plugin that has increased functionality over a normal form, and they can be used both to edit existing items and create new items. After watching this video, creators will know how to create and configure their own Smart Forms, and collaborators will know how to use them to edit or create items. In order to create a Smart Form, simply add a new view, choose Widget, filter on Forms and Reports, and then select the Smart Form. Creators can select Open Form Designer in the top right to open the form settings. In Smart Forms, attributes are broken out into two distinct areas. First are the properties that are common across all items that will be edited or submitted. These are usually things like name, description, ID, category, that are common across all items. Smart Forms also allow users to have a little bit more control about the way their attributes are grouped and visualized. Below our properties, we can add tabs to group certain types of attributes together. For example, if I wanted to add a new tab, I could edit that tab by selecting on it and editing here in the properties. Let's say I want to group some risk attributes together. Now I can add a new field. Let's do probability, impact, and mitigation. If I select one of my fields, I can see properties for that attribute show up as well. I can change the display name, the width, whether it takes up a single column or the whole row in the form, and in the advanced settings, I can choose whether or not I wish to disable or make uneditable or hide an attribute based on some logic that I specify. I can also edit advanced settings such as visual properties like the theme or the layout, the box styling. I also can make a decision for whether I wish my users to be able to open or duplicate an item, and importantly, whether or not they're able to create an item using the form. Allow item creation must be turned to yes for my users to be able to create new items. Below, I can set defaults, for example, a default category. So maybe let's make category risk. I can also use custom logic scripts to envision computation and logic for attribute-based calculation, as well as configuring the smart form using the JSON itself. Once I'm satisfied with my form, I can select OK, and now it's time to visualize and edit my data. I could use the arrows to flip through any of my items and do my editing, or I can come into the story, navigate to the form, and create a new item by selecting Add New Item. Here I can give it a name, add a description if I wish. The category has been set by default to be risks, and now I can add my risk information here. Once I've added in all the information, I can select Save, and now you can see that my test risk has been selected by the form and it's an item of its own, where I can also see that in my other risk view as well. That's how you go about creating and using smart forms in SharpCloud. For any additional questions, please refer to the SharpCloud knowledge base.